Hi, this is Dr. Balaji. Already I relayed some of videos earlier like a .NET and a Crystal report with MS SQL, this kind of things. Now is going to be live. So we are going to start Institute next Monday onwards. So that is that 12th of February. So here we are going to give the training in 4 kinds of parts. First part is mathematical and statistics subjects for SSC, PUC and degree people. We have excellent professor with you who is having the 15 years experience guy. He is going to come here and then giving training in mathematicals. So here this maths and statistics, he is giving that live example practicals, and then all excellent logical based answers he is giving and give the training. And other part is the computer technologies. So here computer science training we are giving for BCA, MSc and MCA and BTech and MTech. This kind of engineering, non-engineering based computer trainings we are giving. All kinds of software trainings we are giving. So for BCA we are giving C, C++ and then Unix, VB and other microprocessor. This kind of training we are giving with live project, practical things. And also we are giving 5th sem and 6th sem projects guidance full how to prepare the documentation for that projects. These projects like .NET projects as well as Android app development projects we are giving. So how to prepare the app and how to load that in Play Store, this kind of trainings we are giving. So next part if you take, we are giving in First in Mobile Training Center in Bangalore with live technology. So here live technology means we are showing the motherboard base and chip level programming and how to repair that mobile in easy way. So this after 3 months you can prepare and you can repair your mobile by yourself. Such way we are giving training on mobile repair technology. So this kind of 3 parts and 4 parts base we are giving the training center training in my training center. Another part we have software development. We are giving all kinds of software solutions for small scale to large scale organizations. For example, you have a clinic, you have a hospital and you have any shop. So in the shop, how to billing, how to create the reports, monthly report, weekly report and all kinds of audit based reports, how to do with the software. So this kind of software solutions we are giving. So we are providing in Java based projects as well as .NET based softwares as well as SAP as well as the latest one whatever that Python based softwares also we are giving training. So this is offline training. Online training we are giving web technology. So all kinds of solutions in web based we are giving. So we are giving that web development in PHP as well as JavaScript and CSS technology base. So how many kinds of pages and what kind of depth way in web technology solutions you want, we are giving that kind of solutions for you. So another one, we are giving an excellent training on web design. So within 3 months how to create the web design and how to design that different kinds of web solutions by designing as well as coding as well as backend setup and everything. So here we are giving not only system based one, we are giving the server based training in our institute. So please come and then approach us. After video you can see in down we have giving that phone numbers as well as location map also. So once you visit us and then you can know what kind of training and what kind of professors and trainers we have in our institute. So after finish this video, please subscribe, press the subscribe button and that bell button. We are not going to lose and then you are not going to lose any money or anything to press that one, because if you press subscribe and bell button, 100 of people will approach this video. So even one person, if you get this training and settle in outside, that is very good approach to everyone. So this technology base we are providing that employment also. So we are giving resource of employment, how many companies are openings going to come, because after Corona your people know what is the software industry present position. So it's going to come everything true in month of May. All company gates are opening, and then you can get excellent opportunities and excellent job oriented all kinds of courses by ourselves. So please come visit us, and then you can take that good training and settle in current technology in current world. Thank you very much.